Come with me as I fly to New York City to catch the snowstorm happening this weekend. I know, I'm crazy. I finally arrived at the Newark airport and I'm going to take the Newark Airport Express bus to the city. I've arrived at Grand Central Station and I'm going to have brunch at Pershing Square. I have to say I'm very happy to see a lot of yellow taxis still in New York City. Now with the ride-sharing apps and everything. I'm glad the yellow taxis are still around. They are a very big staple of New York City. The day was so beautiful when I've arrived. You would never guess that the next day there was a snowstorm. And there is Pershing Square where I will have an American brunch. After my brunch, I walked into the Grand Central Station to walk around. Just to walk around because it's very pretty. It's a very historic station and you can actually walk around and there's shops there and you can get lunch and coffee. It's not just to catch the train. After Grand Central, I walked around when I noticed the New York City Public Library, which I actually have not noticed before, and I used to live in New York. So I had to go in and check it out. At the library, you can read, you can get some coffee and sit down. It's a very nice atmosphere, very relaxing, very New York. After the library, I made my way to Rockefeller Center to check it out. It's so weird visiting Rockefeller Center when the Christmas tree is already gone. This store right here usually has the best Christmas window display. Obviously right now it's gone, so they have some Valentine stuff and some spring kind of decoration. Toucher Chocolatier. It's a very popular place. I was very happy to see people are still coming to Rockefeller Center even after Christmas, and they're still ice skating and having fun there, so it's still a nice atmosphere. Such a beautiful day on Saturday. You would never guess the next day there will be a huge snowstorm. After Rockefeller Center, I walked over to Central Park, and I was so happy that there was some snow still there from before. I was very surprised to see people ice skating on this lake because it's not very frozen, so brave. Central Park is such a vibe. It is so beautiful, and you just can never get enough of it. This part of Central Park right here reminds me of the movie Home Alone. I believe there was a part of the movie filmed right here by the birds. And that right there is the infamous Plaza Hotel. So it is currently like 16 degrees. My face is very painful. I'm sure you can see that my cheeks are red and my forehead really hurts because I think my skull is frozen and I can barely move my lips. They feel really weird and heavy, but yeah, I'm frozen. Then after Central Park, I headed over to check out the famous coffee shop from Friends, Central Park. And I was surprised that it was actually in Times Square, not in Grand Central. This is what I like. You speak, there's steam coming out. That means it's cold. I love it. Yes, I am a winter lover. I know to other people, they don't get it. But I am a winter lover and I love snow and cold temperatures. So after Times Square, I had to pay a visit to Bryant Park. The holiday market is gone, but I was so happy to see that the lodge is still there and you can still get hot chocolate and you can still go in the lodge and get food and drinks, and you can watch people ice skating, which is my favorite thing to do, one of my favorite things to do during the winter. And this would be the following day, snow day. This is during the storm. It was absolutely beautiful and everything was white and you can hear the little snowflakes, falling on my umbrella. I really enjoyed it. This is a normal, ordinary day for someone that lives there, but for me, it was very special. I went and I had breakfast at Townhouse Diner. It was lovely, very good service and good food. Oh, hell yeah. you can hear the sound of the snowflakes falling.
Oh my god.
During my stay, I stayed at Pod 39, which is in Midtown. It's a very good location, very close to Lexington Avenue, which is where you catch the subway, and just a very centered and very convenient location. During my walk, I saw this car. They were stuck in the snow. They could not get out. And this would be the infamous beautiful Park Avenue. It was absolutely gorgeous and magical with all the snow all around, and the video doesn't do it justice. It was very, very nice. So I decided to head into the Starbucks Reserve to get some coffee and watch the snow fall through the window. Unfortunately, the Starbucks Reserve was shut down for the day because of the snowstorm and the weather. So I couldn't go in, and I wasn't gonna be there long enough to go another day. And this right here would be the famous 34th Street, where the big Macy's, where they throw the Macy's parade during Thanksgiving. It would be normally right here, and this is what it looks like after the snowstorm. I did go back to Bryant Park
After
on
my
the
walk on
second day,
34th
and this
Street,
is what it looked
I made
like
my
after
way
all
back
the
to
snow.
Bryant Park
You can barely
to see what it
the
looks
ice
like
skating
today.
rink.
It was
So
so
it
full
was
of snow.
closed, and there was just
no
workers
ice skating,
there, and they looked like
except
they were
the
having
workers
fun
cleaning it up.
And there you go. Central Park looked like a fairy tale the day after the storm. Absolutely beautiful.
So I've never made a snow angel before in my life, and I thought this is the perfect chance. We have all this white snow, beautiful, gorgeous white snow behind me. And it's very deep, so we're gonna make a snow angel. Oh my god, I got snow in my shoes. Oh shit. So let's see. Let's see if it's any good. Oh my god, I got snow everywhere. Oh no. Let's see if the snow angel is good. Let's see. There it is. Oh, that's pretty good. For the first time especially. Yay! First snow angel of my life.
Yes, there was so many people taking pictures and having fun, and I saw people snowboarding. It looked like people were truly enjoying the day after snow and being outside in it. And finally, it was time to go back home. LaGuardia Airport, I must say, is a very nice airport. They had very nice cafes and lounges, pretty fancy. It was time to say goodbye to my beloved New York City. I will be back again, and I was so happy to have the chance to be able to see it after a beautiful snowstorm and experience it. And we'll be back another time for sure. I highly recommend visiting.